How to install Google Camera 6 on your Exynos 9810 powered Galaxy S9, S9 Plus and the Note 9. This is Gcam 6.2 by Zorin. It's got the Pixel 3 interface and has most of the features working. Videos up to 4K 60 fps, night sight, panorama and everything else. Even manually switching between two apertures works. Do note that the front camera only works if you have TWRP installed because it requires custom libs. I'll show you how to install these libs in just a bit. First, let's choose and download the proper lib for your device, according to the vendor you are running. Just click on the first link in the description. It will open up a Telegram group. Just type /notes and find the one that will work for your device. For example, these are the older S9 libs for Pi and One UI 2 libs. This is the One UI 2.1 and these are the latest and the recommended ones. After downloading this file, you need the APK. So type #latest and download it from here. Now for the installation, get a root file manager like Solid Explorer. Search for the .so file you just downloaded. The downloaded one would have a name like this. You need to remove the version name so that the file is named lib exynos camera 3.so. It should be exactly the same or it won't work. After renaming the file, reboot to TWRP or any custom recovery that you use. Make sure the vendor partition is mounted and then find the .so file and copy it. Now navigate to root/vendor/lib and paste it there. Now select the file again in the same directory and tap on chmod and set the permissions as 0644. That's RWRR. And now you're done. Just reboot and take the perfect shots using Google Camera. Thanks for watching.